Hey guys, Get Level here, and today we're gonna talk about 5 ways that you could blow up on Twitch.
Sometimes the way it sounds might hurt, but it's
Alright, so in this video, I'm gonna try to be focusing on only positive things that could happen and that could give you a huge amount of viewers at once. Basically, this is all hypothetical. Obviously, it won't match everyone's specific content and specific personality. As you all know, I really like to think about different ways that people can achieve a considerable amount of success on a certain platform. So I was just thinking about that and I'm like, you know what, let me make a video about it. All the little things that could happen and bring you tons of viewers overnight. I will also try to give you a couple of tips to increase the chances of those things happening to you, but please do keep in mind that this is all theoretical. Okay, so the first thing on this list of things that can bring you insta fame is clips. If you've watched this channel long enough and you hear me give advice long enough, you'll hear me say how much clips are important, because clips are the best way to represent your channel outside of you live streaming. Clips are the most precious advertising tool that you should be using to let people know, look how much fun you could be having on my stream right now. I even have a whole video on the importance of highlights. But anyways, well, how can clips get you insta famous on Twitch? Well, all you need is for your clip to go viral or semi-viral, and there are a couple of platforms that basically bring in so many viewers to streamers like that. For example, Reddit. If you have a clip that is trending on Reddit, many people are gonna look for the streamer behind the clip. That means that you will get a ton of traffic to your Twitch channel. Something that I should have said in the intro is that obviously your content needs to be already stable. You need to have faith in your content and you need to be satisfied with your content at this stage of your live stream. Otherwise, having a lot of traffic won't mean anything if your content is not good enough to keep people in. But anyways, so Reddit is one way to get your clips viewed, and hopefully they go viral and you get a bunch of traffic from that. There are a bunch of companies like what's it called, Lad Bible Gaming or whatever. Those are like Facebook accounts that just publish other people's content all the time. So if your clip gets featured on something like that, it's gonna be viewed by millions of people. So this is why it's really important to remind, because I know that as a small streamer, not everyone has this reflex of clipping whenever something interesting happens. So you need to remind your chat to take clips. It doesn't matter if you have to say it all the time at this point, but just like once you have more viewers, people will know that they need to clip stuff. Also ask them to share the clips, and you should also share your clip. I've taken the habit of sharing a clip of my stream every time my stream ends. I will go on Twitter and post a message saying how much fun we had during the stream, and post a clip from the stream to let people know, hey, if you missed my stream, this is what you were missing. So making sure that you constantly have clips being made of important stuff happening on your stream is one way of increasing your chances of one of your clip goes viral and then you're good. Moving on to number 2. Number 2 is going to be shoutouts, raids, host, anything that's coming from someone that is already well established, and you know that just like one retweet from that person can make you blow up. Obviously, if you get a huge host for, I don't know, Ninja, Tim the Tatman, Summit, or anyone, you need to, okay, first of all, no matter what happens, you're gonna have to react. But as a small streamer, if you've never gotten those types of raids, you need to psychologically prepare yourself for that. Like you're probably gonna be super emotional. That's fine. You can be emotional for 5-10 minutes max, I'd say. Cry all you want, but after that, you probably have a couple thousands of people that you need to entertain long enough for them to want to click on that follow button. Otherwise, it'll all be for nothing. So I believe those big streamers, when they're hosting random people, they usually find people that have similar content. So I don't know, if you stream Fortnite, for example, you are being hosted or rated with thousands of people that want to watch Fortnite. Of course, they're attached to the certain personality that brought them here, but at least you stream the same content. All you have to do is be a little more extra than usual to make sure that the majority of them is going to click that follow button and come back later on. Because if you're used to having 0 to 3 viewers and then you have 13,000 hosts, you can turn that into a 50 consistent viewers, but it's all up to you. Moving on to number 3, we're still talking about affiliation pretty much with other people. This one is going to be collaborations. I don't know if I support leeching or not, but leeching is a good way to actually get people to view your stream. Let's say you're playing an online game and you randomly stumble upon a streamer. You know this streamer is live right now and technically everything you say, their chat will hear you. Well, this is another time for you to be extra. This is hard to give this advice because you know people are just gonna act dumb, but like this is basically your chance to show off your personality and make their chat think, does this guy stream or does this girl stream? Do they stream? What is their stream? And then bring a little bit of those viewers into your stream. Of course, you don't accomplish that by screaming your Twitch handle and voice comms. Like that's not gonna bring anyone. And if it does, it's just gonna bring hate. A famous person, every time they post content, it's pretty much viral compared to your traffic. So let's say if one of the top streamers was making a montage of their content, of their clips on Twitch, and you appeared on one of the clips and you really are showcasing your personality and being extra, of course, then that will actually bring traffic to your own stream. So sometimes it's not just luck, it's you've been given an opportunity and you have to take it and be very wise when it comes to how you choose to portray yourself. I didn't realize this, but I realized that my list is basically from not a lot of work to more work. It relies on you the more we go. Anyways, let's move on. Number 4 is your going live posts. We were talking about clips going viral. Going live posts are not gonna go viral, but if you make that one going live post that is so captivating that people retweeted, that if you post it in those Facebook groups, people comment and you have a ton of comments and the Facebook algorithm sees that and the Facebook algorithm thinks, hey, there's a lot of comments, maybe you'll be interested in that, and basically shows your going live post to everyone and everyone reacts positively. Some of those Facebook groups have up to like 30,000 people, so that's like a huge free advertisement for your stream and it can bring in a huge amount of traffic. So the tip related to that would be keep on working hard on your going live post and keep on trying to do better every single time and keep on switching it up. If you feel like your basic going live post is not working, try something else. Always keep on trying something else until you find something that works great. And then try to replicate that, but better. Moving on to number 5, it's having a thing. Having a thing that sets you apart, that will guarantee all the other numbers in that list, basically. And I know you're automatically thinking, oh, like a disability or something. Not necessarily. Yes, of course, and I'm not gonna be here to promote using your disability if you have one. That's not the point. I mean, like you could do it, but like that's not what I mean. Okay, some streamers are famous because of their disabilities, but hey, it's not that simple. It's really not that simple. Having a thing can be either something that you naturally have or putting a certain talent that you have to use in a way that will be fascinating and entertaining, or taking a concept and just completely flipping it so that every time someone sees a clip or even a screenshot of your stream, they're like, is that dude playing Dark Souls with a Dance Revolution pad? See, that's already fascinating. You absolutely want to click on it when you see a clip or even a screenshot from a stream like that. So playing with a weird controller counts. Do you guys remember that guy that used to use face rig? Basically, he was using the face rig program that basically takes your webcam and transforms you into an animated character. He was doing like the little sheep, I don't know how to pronounce those dogs' names. He was a little dog basically playing Counter-Strike and all that, and he got super famous out of that. If you have an exceptional talent, let's say you play piano really well, but instead of having a stream where you just play piano, I don't know, you're playing Overwatch or Fortnite, and every time something happens in game and you're having a conversation, you just start playing something. When there's just like a couple of players left, you play the final countdown and you sing and all of that. That's like, I just hype myself. I would watch a stream like that. I want to watch a stream like that. Let's say you can do accents. Let's say you can do celebrity impersonations, like you do voices. Those are easy when you already have them, of course, but easy ways to use those to bring people into your stream and get your channel a ton of traffic. If you go on YouTube right now and you type stuff like Morgan Freeman plays whatever, you will find a ton of videos and you can look at the number of views that they get. So yeah, it can really be anything. All you have to do is be creative enough to use them in a way that is entertaining, or at least fascinating, that will guarantee that people will click even if they see a screenshot of your stream. I don't know, if you're good at hula hooping, imagine a title like streamer wins a Fortnite game while hula hooping the whole time. I just blew my own mind. I don't even watch Fortnite. All right, I know the title says 5, but here's a bonus one. The last one is going to be hard work and dedication and time, mostly time. Lots of money too, I think. Money's gonna go in there. Basically, it's getting famous the normal way. It's taking your time, starting off very low, and then spending weeks and weeks on improving your stream, on getting feedback, on watching your VODs, taking notes, doing better every single time. It's the slow and steady way to success. Every single regular you're gonna have in your stream, every people that will have been subbed for years, they have earned their places in that stream because they've been sticking with you for the longest time, and you've been providing them with entertainment for the same amount of time. So number 6 is what most of us are trying to achieve right now, pretty much. But that being said, all of those other points, you have to leave the door open for them, because you never know when one of those is going to drop on you, and you need to be ready. You need to be ready because this, like, if one of those happen, it might be the point where it changes everything. Being an online entertainer in general is a very long journey. And I know I talk a lot about achieving success. The truth is, there is no limit to success. There's no real thing, like there's no such thing as achieving success. You just do better and better and better and better, and the sky is level. The sky is not even a limit. We recently had a Twitch streamer on Times Square putting on a show for New Year's Eve, and it's when I see stuff like that that I realize that anything is possible. So keep your chest out, keep your head up, and keep grinding. Social media is going to be up there. If you're looking for some dope overlays for your stream, you can go to gumroad.com/getlevel. We recently released a brand new free one. It's a full pack. Also, I have a video on the channel showing how I made it, not from start to finish because I had to end the stream, but if that's something you're looking into, if you own Photoshop, it might be an interesting video for you to watch. If you're not using Slobs, aka Streamlabs OBS, yet, consider downloading it. I have an affiliate link in the description. It's completely free. But that was it for me. Guys, if you have other little things like that that could happen and get you insta famous, please leave them in the comment section below. I know some of you are gonna type stuff like boobs, but that's just being ignorant, so please refrain from that. The top Twitch streamers are males, so statistically speaking, you have better chances of being one of the top Twitch streamers if you're a man. So enough with that nonsense. But that was it for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Get Level out.